Hey there again, end of May, south of Russia. I'd like to show you how I form Brunswick fig tree. This one is 2 years old. First thing I want to show you is that I put down branches that are hard to grow upright, fix them to be able to cover it in winter properly and with comfort. Then you should choose a height of fig tree. I recommend you, if you don't live in warm climate, to measure, to limit the height of fig tree at 1 meter. It gives you possibility to normally cover it, to help it survive in winter. Then, after you cut your branches at meters height, they start to grow thicker. So the tree become more and more like fig tree. Then I'd like to show you that all branches of the current year must go outside the bush to get the maximum of sun shining inside the bush. The trunks should be clean like this. No young branches, no sprouts. For instance, we can find the one we don't need, that grows in the shadow of tree constantly, and cut it. Now let's take a look. Okay, this one is growing now in a shadow and we don't need it. Just cut it down. Another one cut off. We need, once again, we need all branches to grow outside. Just take a look in here. Oh, this one. After you form your fig tree, it's gonna be much more convenient to grow it for the next several years and to maximize your crops. Thank you. So long.